How to choose model in Perplexity AI. If you want to choose model in Perplexity AI, it is very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do is we have to go ahead and then first of all open up our browser. Here I'm on perplexity.ai. I'm in a certain chat. Let's say I have any sort of prompt that I want to give to Perplexity right here from the Ask Anything tab. And then I want to change the model for it, and in order to change the model for it, what you do is from the bottom you can see this little icon. It says choose a model, so you just click on this icon. Here you can see you can automatically select the best model, but you can use Sonar, you can use Claude 4.0 Sonnet, you can use GPT 4.1, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 3 Beta, and for reasoning you have R1 1776, you have ChatGPT-4 Mini, you have Claude 4.0 Sonnet Thinking. So depending upon the type of task that you have and the complexities, you can just choose your model and reasoning for it, and then just hit the go button. This way you can choose model on Perplexity AI. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.